Hello, my name is Tucker Hilliard, and today I will be showing you how to make a cardboard fort out of Legos. Now, I'd just like to go out on a disclaimer. The Legos I will be using is not for scale because the the length and the width are the same size, but the height is not. Okay. So, the topic of this video, again, how to build a cardboard fort. I know I'm describing it in Legos because it's easier to do it in Legos. So, materials you will need. A lot of cardboard. Trust me, you're going to want a lot of cardboard. Remember, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. So, I recommend getting a lot. Like, if you have a 4-foot by 4-foot cubed shaped house, you will need 92 feet of cardboard. Alright, also you will need duct tape, and you will need a pocket knife or scissors. Parent or guardian supervision may be required. Okay, let's start this video. So, this block right here will be representing a 1-foot by 1-foot block. And you shouldn't cut these out in real life, but this is a 1-foot by 2-foot block. I'm only saying this because I will use it in the video. Okay, so first step is get all that cardboard, measure it up, and cut out 1-foot by 1-foot blocks. Tiles. Should be 1-foot by 1-foot. And remember to measure. Measurement is key. Second step. Gotta have a plan for your floor. It's gonna be 4-foot by 4-foot. It's gonna be 5-foot by 5-foot. It's gonna be 2-foot by 3-foot. Just kidding on that last one. That would not be good. I suggest that you should probably not go over 5-foot by 5-foot, and you should also not do different numbers like 4-foot by 3-foot, because then it can mess the whole thing up. So the simplest, easiest way to build a house is to do 4-foot by 4-foot or same exact numbers. I'm using 4-foot by 4-foot, by the way, for this demonstration. All right, number 3. You might be asking, what the heck is this? I'll tell you. It's 5 walls. You will need for my demonstration, you will need 4 feet Lego blocks across and 4 high. And you will make 5 regular walls like this. Now, you might be asking about this wall. Why is there a gap? Remember, you gotta have a doorway because if you can't get inside your house, I wouldn't recommend it being a house. Step 4. You might be wondering, why is it so blocky? I'll tell you, because that's the finished product. So, what you will be doing is taking your 4 walls and taping them into a cube. Now, I'm going to tell you this. My Lego man cannot fit inside here because, again, from the beginning of the video, I said that a Lego block has the same length and width, but not the same height. So this is not a very accurate scaling model, but I'm showing it as it's accurate. So in real life, it should be taller. All right. Step 5 is optional. You can build windows, peepholes, just in case you're having a war, and a roof. You might be asking, isn't this the roof? Yes, but what if you want it to be durable to rain? Well, you know that cardboard's not that good against rain, right? So, what you can do is you can build a roof. That way, it would get the roof soggy and probably not the regular roof. If it does, it will be pretty rare. So, remember the 5 steps, or the 4 required steps. 1, make your 1-foot by 1-foot tiles. 2, make a plan. Remember, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. 3, make your walls, and remember to leave one with a 2-foot by 2-foot hole. 4, tape them all into a cubic shape. By the way, if some parts are dragging, you need to add more tape. Tape is pretty much also key. And 5, make windows, or you may make a rain roof. I'm Tucker Hilliard, and this is how to make a cardboard box fort.